Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up? It's time for Practical Hakka right here at FM 100 ICRT.Hello,
你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin， or 我是林扎修。上次有教过，现在知道怎么讲我自己的名字 in Hakka。今天呢，很多人呢，我相信可能也有遭受到这样子的状况，要跟大家聊聊。我又胖了，快穿不下了，或者我瘦了，太好了，好开心之类的。
Okay, 好，
先说我又胖了，裤子快穿不下了 ，which means I'm getting fat. I can't even fit in my own pants.
奶油卡太口嘞，
奶油是不要多吃，对，这么胖了不会再吃奶油，
就已经胖了，不能再吃了，
对
不是那个奶油，是我又
I see. It sounds like cream to me. I thought Alice was reminding me not to eat any more cream, but it means I am gaining weight again. Okay.
奶油卡太口嘞。
奶油卡太口嘞 I'm gaining weight again, and I can't fit in my pants.
褲尾捉唔下去嘞。
褲尾是褲子，
对
，OK, that means pants.
捉唔下去嘞，
捉唔下去嘞，
就是穿不下去了。
OK, 捉唔下去嘞 that means I can't fit in it. All right. Now, on the other hand, maybe 我变瘦了耶，裤子变松了。
矮边抽嘞，
矮边抽嘞。Okay, that means I've lost weight and I'm becoming skinnier.
腹压变妞嘞，
腹压变妞嘞，妞的就是松了。
松了。
OK, 那最后我们教，如果说我想要增肥，我想要减肥，这样子怎么说好了？I want to lose weight. 我想减肥。
矮胸干皮。
矮胸干皮。Okay, say that with care again, and that means I want to lose weight. On the other hand, some people want to gain weight. 我想增胖。
矮爱太口的位
Okay, that means I want to gain weight. 矮爱太口的位，
对，就是变胖一点了呢。然后海陆腔，矮爱太口的位，
变鹅。
对，矮爱太口的位，的出来嘛。
想到鹅就知道了哈。矮爱太口的位，
海陆，矮爱太口的位，
矮爱太口的位。
你两个都很像。好啦，我们最后的那个，一个是太口的位，
太口的位，
然后海陆是太口的位，
太口的位。There you go. So different dialects, different feel to it. And that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什么太嘎？
俺自say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.